Hello, and welcome to a basic rundown of Windows 10. I'm Colin, your instructor, and as always, so basically we're going to talk about some basic features in Windows and things that you can do and all that good stuff. So this is considered our desktop, our area where we can put things that we access on a regular basis. So for example, I am an engineer, so I use some design software. So I have SolidWorks right on my desktop, ready to go at a moment's notice. This way I can access it, I know where it's at, and I don't have to worry about anything else. So if I click on this, it'll pull it up. This is actually some headgear we're making for the medical field for face shields on the campus. We're 3D printing them and we're designing them and modifying them and such. So it's just a quick way to access information. This is our start menu. If we click on that, it'll give us access to all of our programs. You know, the things that we deal with each and every day. If we go to Microsoft, and it is alphabetical. So if I go over here to SolidWorks, and I'm looking for Microsoft Silverlight, and then Microsoft Studio, and here's Microsoft Office, something that we all use. Scroll down and it gives us different Office things that we can do. For example, if I want to deal with Word, I can open Word. You can see off to the side things that I've already accessed or used. Add a blank document. It's right there for me to start messing around with. Another thing that we can look at is our file manager. If I open that up, I can see all the different drives that I may have active, my hard drive, desktop documents. So if I click on documents, you can see all the different documents I may have saved, downloads. Now, I am not a person that you should look for, I don't know, file management. It's not my thing. Actually, because of everything that's happening in the world right now, it's maybe better. So you can actually see that I have a CIS 090 file folder. If you click on it, it's got all your labs, assignments, different things of that nature already in there. If I want to actually like take a photograph of something I'm looking at, let's go on the web and we'll type coronavirus, just because hey, and let's do coronavirus US, map US. So let's say I'm writing a paper on the coronavirus and jump on here, and it shows this map. Collapse that ad. All right, and I want to take a picture of it. I can actually hit a print screen button. It's up normally by your function buttons. I'll insert a quick video just showing what I did. If I hit print screen and I come back here to Word, and if I either right click and click on paste, or I hit Control V, which is also paste, you can see that I now have the map I have a map of what was on my computer screen. I can see what was on my computer screen and then work from there. Another tool that I really find really cool, and I'll put it in my search, is called the snippet tool, or snipping tool, sorry. So I'm going to minimize this. Let's see. I'll go here. All right. I'll hit another topic that I'm a fan of. We'll say Cleveland Browns. We'll say news. Daily Dog Pound, great. Now let's say I really like this photograph, and I could right click on this photograph and say save as and all that good stuff. Or I can pull up my snippet tool and say new, rectangular snipping, and just go ahead and just like that, cut that out, and then save as, and I'll do it in my 090 file. There we go. browns. All right, I'll close that up. And now I've got a piece of that, and I can come in this Word document. I can go insert and a picture, and I'm going to go to my downloads, my 090. I'm going to look for it, Browns, and now I have the Browns inserted into this document. So there are just different things that we can do as we're trying to, work with these tools. But they're just some easy tools for us to deal with. Let's say I want to pin something down here that I want to open on a regular basis. So I'm going to pick a program. Right now I'm using a program called Camtasia. So I am going to pin it to the taskbar. All right. So now I have it pinned to the taskbar. It's something I'm accessing on a regular basis. I want to get at it on a regular basis so I can just work at it. Same with SolidWorks. I do that a lot. Pin it to the taskbar. All right. The best way to learn Windows is to just kind of mess with it. But this is kind of like, hey, let's just get started. You're going to read the Windows section of the textbook. Do some labs related to this, but I thought this would be a good introduction on kind of how to start, where to start, and how to work. So I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I look forward to working with you this week. Talk to you later.